Unfolding the mystery. Understanding leaf curl in English. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, leaf curl. This term might evoke a vivid image of a leaf twisting or bending, but does it hold a deeper meaning in the English language? Let's find out together and add another interesting expression to your growing English vocabulary. In the most basic sense, leaf curl refers to a plant disease that causes leaves to curl, distort, and often turn yellow or red. It's a common problem in many gardens and can affect a wide range of plants. When you think of leaf curl, imagine a leaf that is not flat as it normally should be, but rather has edges that roll inwards or crinkle. It's a visual term that precisely describes what happens to the foliage when this condition takes hold. Moving beyond gardens and plants, leaf curl can sometimes be used metaphorically. In English, metaphors liken one thing to another, and in this case, leaf curl could describe a situation where something is not going as expected or is complicated. Imagine plans that are not unfolding smoothly but are instead getting twisted and difficult to manage, much like the distorted leaves. Let's see how leaf curl can be used in everyday conversation or writing. In a literal sense, the tomato plants are looking sick. They've got a bad case of leaf curl. In a figurative sense, ever since the new manager took over, the project has a case of leaf curl. Nothing is straightforward anymore. Understanding the context is key to using such phrases correctly. The tone and topic of conversation will guide you as to whether leaf curl is meant literally or figuratively. Grasping the meaning of phrases like leaf curl heavily relies on the context they are used in. Without context, you might be puzzled if someone is discussing gardening or talking about a complicated issue. Always pay attention to the surrounding conversation or text to pick up on clues that indicate how the phrase is being used. I hope this exploration of leaf curl has helped to straighten out any confusion and added a new phrase to your English lexicon. Remember, whether you're tending to your garden or decoding English expressions, context is your trusty guide. Keep practicing, stay curious, and until next time, happy learning.